So you wanted to run a modded Bombsquad server in your Ubuntu system. You are at the right place. Bombsquad is a nice game to play with friends, and with a server, you can flex. Hee. In this video, we are going to use the modded scripts made by Mr. Smoothie. All links are in the description. And without further ado, let's get started. And also don't forget to like this video if you found it useful. Subscribe is also recommended. I am creating this folder to clean up my desktop. It's not necessary. Now right-click and select the Open in Terminal button. A little knowledge in using Linux is required for doing this. Now type sudo apt-update. Give the password. And click yes if it asks something. All the commands are available in the description as well as the GitHub repo. Now type sudo apt-upgrade. It will update a bunch of things which require more time if you have a slow internet connection. Press Y and hit enter when asked. It's upgraded after like 30 minutes or something. Now type sudo apt install software properties common. Now type sudo add-apt-repository ppa deadsnakes/ppa. Hit enter to continue. I magnified it for better visibility, but it's worse IG. Now type sudo apt install python 3 pip python 3.10 dev python 3.10 venv. Since I had previously installed all of this, I won't get the prompt screen, which comes when you try to install a package. You just have to click Y and hit enter to every one of it. It's your choice though. Now type tmux new -s43210. Next, type sudo apt install git. You can do it before opening tmux. Now type git clone https://github.com/imayashsani/Bombsquad-Ballistica-Modded-Server. Now we can see a new folder. Open it and change the config files and other mods. Do not copy the same changes I am making if you are trying to make the server accessible from the internet. If you are trying to make your server offline, then set authenticate clients to false and remove the hashtag from the party is public line and change it to false. Change the port. To make yourself admin, go to your Bombsquad app and an advanced menu, and click enter code and type get accounted. Copy the ID, and paste it in the place in the config file. To become owner you have to paste the same ID in this folder path dist/ba_root/mods/players-data/roles.json. You can change the stats URL to point towards your website or Discord server, or anything which has a link. It will be shown just next to the server name in Bombsquad. You can change or add mods here. More details are available in the GitHub repo. And you're done. To run the server, right-click in the folder with the file bombsquad_server and open in terminal. Now type chmod 777 bombsquad_server. Then type chmod 777 dist/bombsquad_headless. One important thing. If you are running this in a Arch64 or ARM32 CPU, then you have to chmod 777 dist/bombsquad_headless_arch64. If you had started a tmux session before, connect to it using tmux-a and name of the session. To start server later, you just have to type ./bombsquad_server, and to stop, you can use Ctrl+D. And to exit tmux, just type exit. Enjoy!